What if you could start making money this week, using nothing but AI in your phone? No degree. No followers. No fancy skills. Just simple tools that are already changing how people earn online. In this video, I'll show you 7 real AI side hustles you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get into it. 1. AI faceless YouTube videos. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. You just need ideas, scripts, and voiceovers. AI can do all of that for you. Here's how it works. You pick a niche like motivation, facts, or finance. Then use AI to write scripts. Use AI voice tools to narrate. And stock footage for visuals. Tools: ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Pexels or Pixabay for free videos, CapCut for editing. You upload consistently and build a faceless channel. Simple content. Big potential. 2. AI freelance writing. Businesses need content every day. Blogs, emails, product descriptions. And most don't care if AI helps you write it. They care if it's good. You can use AI to write faster and deliver for clients. Here's the process. Find clients on Fiverr or Upwork. Ask what they need. Use AI to draft content. Edit and deliver. Tools: ChatGPT for writing, Grammarly for polishing, Google Docs for delivery. You're basically a content assistant powered by AI. And beginners can start this today. 3. AI social media content creation. Small businesses struggle with social media. They don't know what to post. That's your opportunity. You can create posts, captions, and ideas using AI. Then sell it as a monthly service. Example: I'll create 30 Instagram posts for your business each month. Tools: ChatGPT for captions and ideas, Canva for design, Metrical or Buffer for scheduling. You don't need design skills. Just templates and AI prompts. 4. AI digital products. This is one of the fastest ways to earn online. You create something once, and sell it forever. AI helps you build it in hours. Examples: ebooks, Notion templates, study guides, budget planners. Pick a topic people search for. Let AI structure and write it. Then sell it online. Tools: ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Gumroad or Etsy for selling. One good product can sell while you sleep. 5. AI resume and cover letter service. People always need jobs, and most struggle with resumes. You can fix that with AI. You take their info, then use AI to create professional resumes and cover letters. Quick, simple, high demand. Tools: ChatGPT for writing resume templates in Canva or Google Docs, LinkedIn for finding clients. You can charge per resume or bundle packages. It's fast work with real value. 6. AI YouTube automation for others. Not everyone wants to run a channel, but many want the income from one. That's where you come in. You create YouTube videos for clients using AI. You handle script writing, voiceover, editing. They upload it to their channel. You get paid per video or per month. Tools: ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voice, CapCut or Descript for editing. This is like being a behind-the-scenes YouTube creator. 7. AI print on demand designs. You don't need to be an artist anymore. AI can generate designs for t-shirts, mugs, and posters. You upload them to print-on-demand platforms. When someone buys, the platform prints and ships it. You keep the profit. Tools: Midjourney or DALL-E for designs, Canva for editing, Printify or Redbubble for selling. Focus on niches like fitness, pets, quotes, or hobbies. Simple designs often sell best. So here are the 7 AI side hustles again. Faceless YouTube channels, freelance writing, social media content creation, digital products, resume services, YouTube automation for clients, print-on-demand designs. You don't need to master all of them. Pick one. Stick with it. And improve as you go. Most people overthink starting online. They wait for the perfect idea, the perfect timing, the perfect skill level. But the truth is simple. People are already making money with these AI tools right now. Not because they're experts, but because they started. You don't need to be ahead of everyone. You just need to start before you quit on yourself. Pick one idea from this video. Try it today. Not tomorrow. Because in a year from now, you'll wish you started today. Thanks for watching.